Alrighty, y'all. So today I've got a Quest 2.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. And in honor of the 4th of July, we're gonna put this to the test. So I'm getting asked all the time in the comments and the live streams. It's like, do you think that the Quest 2 is durable? Is it fragile? I mean, they're made in China, you know, do you trust it? Do you think that they're good quality? And the truth is I think that these are actually really good quality. I mean, you know, for what you're paying for, these things hold up really well. And I mean, you ask people all the time. They throw them against walls and drop them, and they'll take a bunch of hits. It's just the right hit usually is what knocks it out of commission. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this and throw it in with, what do we get?
We got 1,000 little firecrackers.
Got the eagle on it and everything. So my anticipation is that it's probably the lenses that'll get the most damage. Then they're going to need to be buffed out.
Well, the lenses and the cameras are the most exposed pieces of, well, it's not glass, but whatever that stuff is.
And maybe we'll get some cool charring on it.
I don't know. We might blow it up and destroy it.
Hopefully.
Do we want to unwrap this whole thing, or do we just want to like just leave it as is and light it up?
I think we like wrap it around it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, let's wrap it around the headset.
This paper off.
All right.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Get this unwrapped because this is taking longer than I thought.
Put that in there just like that.
I think we'll start here and just wrap it at the very end, and then because the fuse is over on the end there. Man, this is crazy. I don't know. This is gonna go. We're gonna find out. There's nobody. I don't think that's done this before. It's like I'm on an episode of Jackass.
Yeah, we got to get it around the speaker arms a little bit too, right?
Oh, yeah. Let's do this.
There you go. Okay. All right.
Oh my God. Okay.
Alrighty. Let's get that bad boy in there.
I gotta find the fuse. There it is.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. No problem.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
I think that's good enough.
Good enough.
Oh, that stuff in there.
Lost some little ones. They probably won't explode, but you know.
I'm not too worried about it. It needs to be higher up, I think. This way. You can kind of see it. Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna see how.
Do you want to light it?
Yeah, I'll light it up. Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds good. We're gonna get one take of this. We only brought one headset. Here we go. Oh man. Oh. Oh, sorry. No way.
Did all those just go? No way.
That's too fast.
That was 1,000?
No.
That was so quick. That was 1,000? No way. Wow, oh my gosh, it's hot.
Is it hot?
It's hot.
Oh yeah. Oh man. That looks kind of cool though.
That is cool.
Wow,
oh,
that's pretty sweet looking. That's like a custom paint job.
It is like a custom paint job. Holy smokes. Wow. Well, that was way quicker than I thought it was going to be.
Okay, I got it. I got it. You ready?
Oh, there it goes. Oh. Oh, yeah.
How do we do? That's kind of cool looking. Wow, that's pretty cool. Almost like almost kind of a graffiti look.
Yeah. We burned it there.
Oh, it didn't get burned, huh?
That's all good.
I don't know if that's fixable.
It's fixable. Everything's fixable with Fix My Oculus.
All right, experiment number 4 for 3. Here we go. This has been...
Well, that's it. Well, guys, that concludes part 1. What we're going to do is tomorrow we're going to take this into the shop and we're going to fix it up real good. We're going to see if there's any actual functional issues with it. I'll bet you that camera needs to be replaced right there. And maybe buff up the lenses, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, stay tuned.